So we at one of our destinations. One. We got
3 more to go.
3 more to go.
Copyright.
It wasn't that loud. It wasn't that loud.
Well, gotta put that song in the description too.
Oh, you gotta put them in the description.
Gotta have a link to it and everything.
Hell, I'm bad with type in T.I. Goddamn. Damn. Oh my. Current on.
24.
Oh, the high road.
This man. Alright, I'm done. Forget that. As y'all see, this little monkey over here vlogging.
Hey, what's the name behind that?
Of course, you gotta let down my window. Why,
Man.
Sway?
Sway? Why, Sway? Why?
Come on.
Hey, these need bloopers, my nigga.
Oh, no. Is that?
Yeah.
Keonda?
Yeah. No. Shout with the big, her mom with the big booty, little Kenny, something. Keena.
Oh, snap.
For real. Let's skate, man. Too easy, man.
I'm putting this all in it.
Ooh, buddy gone, boy. Buddy gone. Show him. Show him. Show him. He gone. Buddy gone. He gone.
Skate, where you going for that?
Look, man. I just be cooling, bro. I don't mean no harm to people.
Even though you saw it bully me.
Somebody about looted. He used to ask for it, man. Like, he used to just
Wanna
ask
be
for it.
sure that went on the bus.
Yeah.
This nigga would just start pushing me,
Yeah.
picking me up, finna be thrown.
Yeah.
Hey, you told they play.
Damn.
I made sure I told the people.
Yeah, if a business anywhere.
Yeah, true.
2 cheeseburgers.
You want crispy chicken?
Yes, ma'am.
What else for you?
That'll be all.
1686.
My fault. Somebody had called, but he got that one wrong. It was Wendy's. I never had that one. That's alright. Shut up. Here you go. Just grab it. It's fine right there. Go ahead, nigga. Probably is. You sure? You promise? Alright. Yeah. That's all. How do you go? Come on, man. You gotta look at it, man. Breaking what? Breaking what? Oh, yeah, you're right. Hey, you want tomatoes on your chicken? Alright. McDonald's put it on, Burger King put it on there. Wait, grab it. Yeah, I'm sorry. They got a new way right now. They put this in the new, they got a new bun. What the hell? Alright, go ahead, pack what you want to pack. Yeah. Hey, what you got left? What is that? Hold on. What's your Asian burger name? Yeah, it's cheeseburger name. Cheeseburger? Yeah, cheeseburger. Yeah. What you got left? 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold up. What I got 2 of them. This shit stink. No. Get in nowhere. Hold on, nigga, you done. Nigga, you done. Hold up. Yeah, you done. You done?
See, fool. The blindfold see through.
No fool. Like, you can see light, but you can't see light.
Yeah, I can't see what bag I'm in. Just don't put the bag in front of my face. Cause I can see like right there.
You said I was
Oh, cause I can see like right here. Oh, hold up, nigga. If I can see, I'll see what kind of burger it is.
What the fuck is this? Oh, this one. Blow it. Wait, this. Wait, check it out. I'm a fuck. Oh, damn. The fuck is this? What the hell? I know this is. I can do it. If I'm not going to get cheese on it and the macaroni cheese on it, so I know this. I know this. That. I know macaroni cheese on it. Follow this, follow this. I know this is so good. No, what the hell? But I'm making it. Yeah, who's fucking with them? Them will be huge. Yeah, good. Better. Oh, this is gym count. Yeah, ew. Not gonna eat the whole thing. The bag is hell. Yeah, it's like chicken count. This is disgusting. Ew. The fuck is this? We got the bacon. The bacon, I'm trying to put it on. Cause they burn. Yeah. Bacon. That should be a fun taste in my mouth. That shit's nasty. We don't get another Sonic. Right here. Man, this Sonic, man. I would see right good. I don't know. They should taste just like what I did. It wasn't me. How did I eat that what? How did I eat that get back. How did you eat that that chicken? That's nasty. What the fuck? This is good. One three, bro. Sonic three, bro. And what? We don't want to do that. Hold up real quick. This is nasty. That's disgusting.
You got all of them right, y'all.
Say swore.
Swear to God.
I did.
Yeah. I seen you on that country, but
I mean, the video would have told that though.
cause I ain't saw the rapper.
But still, they saw the burgers and shit. So I got all on right. On the game, man. Champ.
That just prove how fat you is, dog.
I tell you, I eat a lot, motherfucker. So,
Man, what y'all mess me up?
That way does it like it? So, what?
Hey, we can say the punishment for next
yeah.
video.
Can you come here for a second? So he lost. Skate the one, of course. I knew my food.
He fat.
But the punishment is
Walk around with bra.
in Walmart. But if y'all don't want to see that, y'all can choose the punishment. It's like, no, we're in the playground. But bang.
You still eat?
Hey, it all day, man.
I'm waiting till I get home.
So I'm the one. That does.
Cause I'm not losing again. Hey, I ain't no flight now, but yeah, it's your boy Skate
2E.
and Z. Ain't that so? Ain't that so?
Well, you ain't eating nothing when you get home.
Every thing. Woo.